Right now on News Channel 8 at 5:30.
A frightening situation at a Polk County restaurant tonight. We're going to take a closer look at what caused carbon monoxide to reach dangerously high levels. Good evening, everybody. I'm Jen Holloway.
And I'm Josh Benson. Thanks for being with us tonight. 5 people had to spend the night in the hospital in Polk County for carbon monoxide poisoning. Deadly levels of carbon monoxide filled the Catfish Country restaurant in Bartow. News Channel 8's Melissa Marino joins us now live. Melissa, is everybody okay?
Yeah, I spoke with the owner today. He said everyone was released from the hospital at about noon, and everyone is doing okay. You can see here behind me, the restaurant is open for business. They caught this. They say it was all an accident, and they caught it just in time.
There was one unresponsive patient. When we got there, we figured out that several other people were what we considered to be altered, and they definitely needed care as well.
When Polk County Fire Rescue responded Monday afternoon, they knew it wasn't good. Their detectors showed carbon monoxide had filled the Catfish Country restaurant.
The business was closed yesterday. They were doing some cleaning up inside.
We're told without proper ventilation.
So it seems like the combination between the chemicals they were using and, of course, the gas generator that was being used inside the building, that contributed to causing carbon monoxide to fill the area,
causing the carbon monoxide to reach dangerously high levels.
Our machine could only read up to 500, so it was over that. 50 parts per million is what is considered to be hazardous. So it was a very hazardous situation and a dangerous situation for those inside.
5 men went to local hospitals for carbon monoxide exposure, the owner of the restaurant included. He didn't want to go on camera, but tells News Channel 8 that 3 of the men worked at the restaurant. The other 2 were hired to help clean. Today, they're happy to be okay.
Everyone's fine. Everyone's went to the hospital just for precautionary checks, and everybody was released this morning, and everyone's good.
But it could have been much worse.
It could have been fatal. If there was only one person inside there, we may have not been there on time.
Yeah, definitely a good outcome for a very scary situation. The restaurant was aired out, ventilated, and then ruled safe to go back in about an hour. Josh.
Melissa, do we know if anybody's going to be any trouble with this at all?
No charges have been filed, and we're told if anything, it would be looked into by OSHA.
All right, Melissa Marino live for us. Thanks for the update.